Oh shit, boy. Dicks. What it do, y'all? Back with another video. One and only Tater back with one. You feel me? But I'm fucked up. I look crusty. I've been thugging into this paper. Man, take care of these crazy dogs. But I'm finna update y'all on Dex and Sehki. Dex 3 months now. Ain't really nothing crazy. I've been letting him, I ain't really been posting no video. I've been letting his ears heal. You know, I got him cropped. So I've been letting his ears heal. Letting them mature. You feel me? So, yeah. Update y'all on Sehki. Sehki coming heat next month. Coming heat April. Don't know what I'm gonna do with her not yet. I do, just not telling y'all. Oh. Why you standing right behind me like that? But yeah, though, I got something planned for a big one. I ain't gonna lie, we gonna throw some more body on this structure, some more color for sure. So y'all be waiting for that one. Yeah, it's really for Dex. Y'all want to see Dex out bad and Sehki. I'm gonna show y'all her. I'm gonna show y'all bro. Damn, that's on here. How we do it. I'm finna go grab him. I'm gonna let y'all see firsthand, you feel me? First step. Show y'all. Look at this demon, man. Damn, got some headache out here. Yeah. That's how it's supposed to look right there. Back up, girl. Stop. No joke, man. I'm playing stud Dex all day. I ain't gonna lie. We be fighting. We be running around. What? What I do? You want me to beat you up too? Mama. Yeah, Mr. Shitty Dick. Exposing you, brother. So I see the body in her though. Dang, bro, you still going? Just look at him though. It's 3 months, man. Dex! Dex! Dex, come here. Little boy. Dex! Hey, hey! real, man. Like, look at her. Every time I say anything about Sehki, she know I be talking about her. She catch attitude. She get to talking crazy. Ain't that right, mama? Ain't that right, Sehki, mama? Give me some. Jump up, mama. Give me some. Give me some. Give me some, mama. Give me some. Give me some. Give me some up. You fat dude. You don't be on nothing. Dude, a lazy boy. I ain't gonna lie. Just like I from birth, he always been lazy. The female, she was always more active. He played with toys, though. I like that about him. I made him active playing with toys, but by himself, he like to chill, bro. I ain't gonna lie. He like to eat, chill, and fuck up my crib. That's it. That's it. Yeah, look at that boy. Ooh. What's that boy? What's that boy? What's that boy? We'll see. Give me. Come here, see. Get up here. Come on. Get right here. Get next to your boy. Get next to your son. Come here. Sit. Shout out. You want to take a picture with your son? Tell y'all, man. I train Sehki so good. I walk around on leashes, all type of stuff. Don't play crazy though. I do keep it on me. Ted ain't known. I mean, he known for leaving out the house with more than 30 shots. So you just test your luck though. If you ever want to try it, little bro. But yeah. What's that boy? Dexter. Man, other people's dogs be 3 months bigger than my man or daddy. Look at this, man. Mind y'all, she like 8 inches. He jumped. He saw it out. Bro just jumped that stairs, bro. He took the stairs. Yeah, man. Taking early lock-ins. But if y'all didn't know, this is a Kobe daughter right here. That red Kobe daughter. Kobe grandson. It's a Bo Jackson. Everybody tell me, like, I ain't gonna lie, on videos, my female, they say she look big. She only 8 inches though, for real. She look big on these videos. I swear, y'all see her in person, y'all would be like, God damn. Look at her, and she muscled up. I gotta give her a wash though. She gotta get a bath. That winter got her shedding like crazy. Ain't gonna lie, this that cold weather, that snow, all that, man. I had to wash her so many times in a month. Had to stop though. I'm like, bro, I can't stop no motherfucking shedding. Ain't gonna lie, motherfucker. What is you eating? Spit it out. Like, what's up, bro? You like, man, irritate. Come on, come here. See, come here. Come here. Damn. Irritate, nah. Dex, you bet not jump that again, boy. Yeah, see, you gotta stop that jumping, bro. I ain't like, don't fuck yourself up. Come here, boy. See, dude, come here. Get over here. Dex, come here. You see, look, you following her, bro. Stop showing him that shit. Come here, Dex. Here, boy. What's up, boy? That boy, man. I ain't even gotta stop. He really like that. Let me pour, boy. Let me pour. Let me pour. Good job, brother. Bro. That pour. Hey, stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, dog. You too. Stop playing with me. I play with him too much. That's why he be reacting like that. All I do is play with him. She gonna for sure how they run. Watch how they run. See, see, you don't ever race me again. Don't ever. I'm gonna smoke you again. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit, boy. Dicks. Hey, I'm gonna let them do their thing, man. They ain't trying to pay attention to me. It feel too good outside. They saying fuck Tater. Fuck it. All right. Stick, man. Dex, look. Look, boy. Oh, my bad, boy. Look, boy. I don't even talk about you. You just... Hey, look, Dex. Look. Dang, see, dude. Look, Dex. Fuck. That's nice. Ooh. Irritating. Here. Get the stick. Get the fucking stick. Here. Here. Get it now. So I thought you just be forcing to do it. Here, see. Here. Here. Get the stick, mama. Get the stick. Ooh, he crawling up to... Okay, hold on. Oh, we stuck. You sure now today, he doing everything. Get it, boy. Get it. No, let's see, get it here. I ain't going over long. It's a wrap, though. I'm not even gonna lie. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, give me a handshake. Give me a handshake, little dude. No, don't jump. That's a wrap though for this video. I ain't gonna lie. Got you a nice little video today. How long it's gonna be? I got about 20-something minutes of video. Let's see though. I'll edit this. You got a couple more seconds to pay attention to this boy. See, you really ate the stick for real though? So that bitch is a piece. I don't know nobody cooler than Sehki, man. This thing, he can make his mind up what he wanna do out here.
Shooting fast in this bitch, I ain't pulling over. If the boys get behind me, I'ma do him over. Ayy. I'm in the beamer getting bitches, slapping on these bitches' ass. I'm swiping all these ass. Only wanting all these friends. Say what you need, get a scale, I can teach you how to dump. All that money that you talking, I ain't really seen none. Got a Glock with a switchboard on me, press that button. I done dropped the loss on me.